Hi, I'm Scott Chandru with Dixon Realty, and joining me today is a very good friend of mine, Brian Gibbons from Eagle Home Mortgage. You know, Brian, I call you Money.
Thank you, Scott.
Because you are the money man,
I
but that's my
appreciate
nickname for him. But this is the guy that you need to talk to if you're thinking about buying a home, refinancing a home. He's got all the answers. He's got everything going on with Eagle Home Mortgage. You know, I got a couple questions for you right
Sure.
now. I know that interest rates are still historically low, but that means it's a great time to still get into a house and you can still get in there without any problems, and there's lots of different programs going on. Tell me what's the process.
Thank you, Scott. Yeah, real quickly, the process entails giving myself a call. I'll let you know what documentation you need to provide, such as income and asset documentation. Typically, tax returns will need W-2s, stuff just to verify income and assets. There's some really good programs out there. We've got VA loans. A lot of people forget that they're even VA eligible, and that's no down payment.
That's a pretty good program. And I also heard that there's a program available right now that the government is actually giving a grant money so that people can get into a home, and it's basically free money that they don't have to pay back.
Yeah, we have the down payment assistance programs. There's a couple of them: Nevada Housing, Nevada Rural Housing, USDA. So it really depends on the location of the home and actually the client, their profiles,
right?
And how we kind of look at that, and then I give options to the borrowers so they can choose which is going to best fit their needs.
You know, a lot of questions that I get when I'm showing people property and I've got buyers in my car and we're talking about, what does it take to get financing? Mm-hmm. They think it's this long, tedious, really pain in the rear process, but it's really not, right? I mean, it takes a little bit of time, but it's pretty easy when they talk to you.
Yeah, it really is. I mean, like I said before, we're looking at credit, income, and assets. And so I'm going to require, and I let everybody know up front what documentation I need. A lot of people are kind of hesitant to do that, but honestly, like I said, we're just verifying the income and the assets, and sometimes some letters of explanation are needed, but it's very simple and easy, and it goes quickly. I can get somebody pre-qualified within 2 days or a day, depending on my workload.
Well, that's a good point to make. If we want to get them pre-qualified, I know this is Mr. Money Man. I call him Money. But how do they get a hold of you, Brian?
Thank you, Scott. Yeah, give me a call at 846-7508.
Give that number one more time.
846-7508.
Brian Gibbons, good friend of mine. You're going to love working with this guy. Thank you so much for joining me today, and thank you for watching Dixon TV.
Thank you, Scott.
For your next real estate loan, choose Eagle Home Mortgage. Eagle Home Mortgage offers local processing and quick turnaround, featuring FHA, conventional, jumbo, BA, or any type of real estate loan.
Hi, I'm Brian Gibbons from Eagle Home Mortgage in the Sparks office. From a new home purchase to refinancing, I'm here to help you with all of your mortgage needs. Feel free to give me a call at 846-7508.
Eagle Home Mortgage, your local source for the best in customer service.